One of the Roller Uncapping Machine. This is the side plate or template for the side panels. There are two lots of stainless steel underneath that have been shaped. Now watch the rest of the video and see how we got to this stage. I've got to the stage where I've drilled all the holes I need to in some plywood. This is the jig, and that's another jig here with these. Shaped by paper, stainless steel. Right, this is a paper jig, but I had to make it so that the center line there was corresponding with 3mm below what this is, because it goes onto a piece of angle iron, or angle steel, the other side. So it's a case of making those allowances as you build your jig. I did get it wrong, so that's why I'm explaining it now, because I got it wrong and I've had to readjust my template. And the template was then used up here to make jigs that I'll be cutting out after I've cut all this lot out. So it's intertwined, but it should get there in the end. Oh yeah, bad case of woodworm. Back to the studio. What's pretty hard to see here is the shapes just here, which are where the cutting discs go. And there's a 10mm gap between those two. And this piece over here fits just there, or the jig just fits just there, like that. Let's get it right because it's one-handed. Looking closely, and you should be able to see you should see the circle outline of where these discs go, or the discs will appear. And there's two of them, just there like that. And they have to rock, so you can see an outline there. They have to rock and expand and come back again to allow the top bar to go through. Does all that make sense? So, after I've made these bits, I have to put them in place just there and cut the hole, which in this case will be 22mm, but on these it's only 20mm. So I have to cut a 22mm hole there, rotate it on that pinnacle, just that fulcrum just there, around a bit more, and do another 22mm hole and combine them. So that's going to be cut in the wood, but it also is going to be cut on the stainless steel. So that's what the stage after cutting all this out will be. The Roller Uncapping Machine side has now been cut out, shaped, and the extra bits that will be cut out later will be marked out by these holes. So now the side has to be cut out. That's the next job. The aim here is to cut using that as the guide and cut the whole length all the way down and across. I've got to watch out just here. Sort of a dog's leg job, that is. I want my second carbon tipped rubber drill. Oh, joy of joys. This is the last bit I've got to cut out. During the making of my videos, I wear safety gear. I wear ear protectors and a full face mask to protect myself against the noise and any bits that fly up. I also wear an apron, a leather apron, to protect myself from the sparks. I have in the past set fire to my trouser legs. That's not a good idea. Anyway, let's get on and finish this last bit, and we'll see how we go on from there. The next stage is to cut these holes, which are 22mm, and then cut round these and cut those out of stainless steel. And I think that's a good time to wind up this video. See you next time, hopefully. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.